When I got this 2021 CR-V, I noticed that when using keyless entry, it only unlocked the driver's side door. But there is a way for it to unlock all 4 doors at once. And in this short video, I'll show you how. First, either start the vehicle or leave the engine off and go into accessory mode by pressing the start button twice. On the radio, go to Settings. Then tap the vehicle button. Here, go to Keyless Access Setup. Next, go into Door Unlock mode. Here I can see that it's currently set to driver door only. Select all doors. Then hit Yes to confirm. Now there's one more thing I need to show you. Notice that this is for driver 2. That label corresponds to the driver 2 key fob. To unlock all doors for driver 1, I'll need to repeat these steps with the other key fob. Once done, all 4 doors will unlock with keyless entry. And here's a final note. With the key fob, I'll still need to press the unlock button twice to unlock all doors. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.